Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, so in this particular video we are going to solve a common and frustrating problem, and that problem is the MT4 and MT5 trade is disabled error. Now, if you have ever tried to place an order and you see this message, trade is disabled. Okay, so now I want to place a trade and it doesn't go through, and I'm getting a message telling me that trade is disabled. Then you know how confusing it can be, right? So let us break down exactly why it happens and how to fix it step by step. Okay, so the first reason you may see this error, first reason why you may see this error is because of your account type. Okay, so if you are using a demo account, check if it has expired. This is like one of the common reasons. Okay, if that account is expired, you might always see that trade is disabled error. You will not be able to execute trades on that account again. So you need to go and confirm from your broker's website if the account has expired. Most brokers give demo accounts maybe a time limit, and once it expires, you won't be able to place trades anymore. So the only fix here is to create a new demo account, or you just switch to a live account. All right. Now, another common issue is account restrictions. Okay. Some brokers disable trading on accounts that have not been verified or, activated, because, of course, for, some reasons, right? So if you recently opened an account, make sure you have completed all verification steps, like submitting your proof of identification, your proof of address and all of that. Without full verification, trading can be restricted. Now, this one is mostly, with respect to live accounts, right? So, and that can lead to this error. So maybe you have not yet verified your ID and all of that, and then you want to trade on a live account. You will most likely, get that error. I'm not exactly sure if this will hinder you from trading on a demo. Okay, I'm not sure about that, but I think it is mostly with live accounts. But for the demo own, I know that if your account is expired, then you will most likely face this problem. So for the case of demo, it's very easy. Just go open a new demo account. All right. But whether the ID issue hinders you from trading on demo or not, to be on the safer side, just always complete your means of identification. Okay, it's not a big deal, right? You want to make money and you want to be able to withdraw your money freely. So just complete your KYC procedures, and you fund your account, and you know that there will not be restrictions when you want to withdraw. Because even if you are able to deposit and maybe you manage to trade, you might actually have a problem when it comes to withdrawing if you have not yet verified your account. But it still depends on the broker. Maybe if the broker allows deposits without completing your verification, or if they allow withdrawal without completing your verification. But it's quite unlikely that you would have a hassle-free deposit and withdrawals if you're not yet completed your verification steps. So just make sure you do that. Okay, so without a full verification, you might actually experience some restrictions in your trading, leading to the trading is disabled error. Now, let us talk about trading hours. Not all instruments are tradable 24/7. Okay, not all instruments. For example, Forex pairs. Yeah, Forex pairs may be available most of the week, but you see indices. Yeah, you see indices. Stocks and commodities, they often have specific trading sessions, right? So if you try to place an order outside of those hours, you'll see the trading is disabled error, most likely. So you need to always check your broker's trading schedule for the instrument that you are trading. All right? Sometimes the issue comes from symbols that are not enabled in your platform. So you want to go to your Market Watch, your Market Watch panel, and you right click and select Show All. So this will display every instrument that your broker, offers, all right, for that account. So if the symbol that you want was hidden or disabled, enabling it from here may solve the problem. Okay. Now, another reason could be broker restrictions on certain instruments. Some brokers might block specific assets, on certain account types. For example, you might not be able to trade metals or indices if your account only supports Forex pairs. Or maybe you want to trade cryptocurrency, you are a crypto trader, and maybe your broker offers a crypto-specific account, and then you want to trade a Forex pair in that crypto account. Of course, you wouldn't expect it to work, all right? So there might be restrictions for certain currency pairs or certain assets depending on your account type. So always make sure that you are aware of the account type you are trading on, all right, so that you don't get, troubled when you start seeing such errors like this. Okay, so to fix this, you just check your broker's account specifications or you contact their support team. Now, server maintenance can also trigger this error. If your broker's server is down for scheduled updates, trades will be disabled temporarily, okay? So in this case, the only fix is to wait until the server is back online. Now, to prevent this issue in the future, always make sure that your account is active, verified, and has the right permissions for the assets that you want to trade. Okay, keep an eye on trading hours, and if something does not look right, always feel free to contact your broker for clarification. All right. So we have briefly talked about the main fixes for the MT4 and the MT5 trade is disabled error. Check your account status, verify your instruments, pay attention to trading sessions, and confirm your broker's restrictions. Following these steps will ensure you can place trades without interruptions, okay? So if you found this guide helpful, click the like button and subscribe for more tutorials on MT4, MT5, and trading platform troubleshooting. Drop a comment below if you faced this error before and share which fix worked best for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.